Right guys, so I did a video for Sneak. You've all seen it. You fucking best have anyway. If not, go watch it. Bloody good video. I have one of these. And if you watch the old video, you see there's a difference now. Look, I've got a new one. I took it back to the bloody shop and I said, "Oi, it's rubbing off." And they went, "What do you mean it's rubbing off?" I went, "Well, put your finger on that and do that." So the guy did. I went, "Now look at your finger." And he looked at it. He had a nice black patch like I did in my video. I went, "You see, it rubs off. And I don't own a dishwasher, so don't try and blame me for that one." He went, "Right, come back Thursday, we'll sort you out." Well, guess what? I went back Thursday. Sort me out. And guess what I did? Guess what I did? I over-adulted. I was productive. And I got some fucking clear nail polish. Yeah. Yeah. I had to walk into bloody Superdrug. Talk to a woman about nail polish. Me. But I don't care. I use nail polish quite a bit for things. Especially like my display axes and stuff like that. If it's got a nice bit of engraving on, whack some clear nail polish on it. Guess what? It don't rust. What's that? What's that? You're welcome. Yeah, you are. Because that's what I've done with this. You see how stupidly shiny and bumpy and rough it all is? Let me see if I can get a light angled right. There you go. Look, you can see how that's not flat. All I did was I put clear nail varnish on it. And guess what? Look. Look at this now, look. Nothing. You're welcome, Marvel. I fixed your bloody product. Stop licensing shit. It's good now, look. You're fucking welcome. So yeah, I'm going to be using this again because I've got some Sneaks left. See? Look. See? Sneaks. Sneaky. I'm actually quite looking forward to this one. It's a sour apple. But I fixed it. That's the main thing. So go out, get yourself a really good shaker. It's got a little ball thing in it, look, see that, look, yeah, it's got a ball in it. And it's got an actual grid, not fins. It's got a proper grid. Well worth it now. It's a £10 water bottle that I've put £3 in Permafixed. Yeah, it pissed me off. Can you tell? Can you tell that little fucking bit pissed me off? I'm trying to say user error. Not user error if all you're doing is you're putting your finger on the shit and it's coming straight fucking off. What am I supposed to do? Just hold it down here, hold it there, hold it like that? Well, guess what? That's fucking annoying. Yeah, I'm back to finish off the video. My phone was ringing. Alright? Rant over. Go and have a good day. Go to the pub. Have a drink. See you later, guys.